Okay, scrappers, we're becoming strippers, I think. Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Just playing with the wire stripper. I've never played with it before. Seems to be doing what it's supposed to do. This big hole here is a little deceiving. I tried the 500 MCM, or actually it's 500 HCMIL aluminum through that big hole there. Only fills up about 20% of it, or 80% of it I should say, and it did all right. It made a heck of a lot of noise, and it made a few needles. So yeah, but it actually stripped it only on one side. So yeah, let me show you how it did. I loosened it up, I think about as far as it'll go, and let's give her a try. See, I mean, look at how, I hope you can see that in there. Probably not, huh? Let me do this. It's like, if you can see that or not. It's like, might be way too big for the machine. It might be way too big for the machine, I don't know. But you can see the cut it made. Well, I guess it ain't too bad. It really didn't make needles of it, but yeah, it's pretty cool, I guess. It works really sweet on solid stuff. This is I think this is number 12 wire, and it did that fine. This stranded stuff was fine. It looks like it's about a number 6. Let's try some of these, see if I can see what it is. Oh, come on. Huh. I don't know, can't tell what it is. Well, let's see. The one thing I can see that I think I would like to build this up so that this thing here was at about eye level. I had to build some kind of a frame up here to set it on top of, but she weighs about 120 pounds, I think. So you can see there, this is a THHN when it has this plastic coating on there. The reason that plastic coating is on there is when you're pulling a bunch of these wires through the pipes, they slide better than this rubber coating, and that's really the only reason for that on there, is for pulling it into the pipes. It slides better. But yeah, that worked quite well. Didn't leave needles or anything. This number 12 stranded, I have yet to been successful with this stranded. It keeps wanting to make needles like no tomorrow. And that hole wasn't even, that was kind of too big for it, I think. because it kind of wanted to turn through there. You can see it didn't really cut it that good, but it is making needles. So I guess from a standpoint of like number 12 stranded wire, it's just not going to be the ticket for that stuff. Yeah, you can see there, it's just not. And that one really, you know, it's making needles and it really wasn't even cutting all the way through. So I'm going to say that it's just not made for stranded wire number 12 or less. Yeah, let's try this one. It's a little bit bigger. I'm thinking maybe this one. Okay, that was a little hard to pick apart. I turn it over and I'm gonna run it through again. Now it's cut on two sides, and see, look at that. That might be the way to go rather than fighting it, is to run it through twice. Yeah, should we see if we can find something bigger? Find something bigger to run through there? I don't know what this will do. Well, which hole should we try her in? I think we're gonna try it in. Let's try in the biggest one first, see what it does. Now she just barely cut the plastic coating, so that's not going to be it. We're going to try this one maybe. Boy, that makes a horrid noise. That seems to have cut it. Let's try it on the opposite side again. Look at that. All right, well, that seemed to work pretty darn well there. And what's weird is you don't have to do a lot of adjusting with it, because you can go from that big size like I just did to picking a different hole, and we put that in there. Just have to figure out which hole you got to put it in. So yeah, it's not like it's going to need a lot of adjusting. I think it's, and the way this is made, it looks like this should come up. You know, if you put in something bigger, that this whole thing should rise up, but it doesn't seem to be doing that, I don't think. Let's try a piece of 500 again, and we'll watch this to see if it raises up. Okay, this time we're gonna watch this piece here and see if it raises up at all. Okay, she did raise up. Boy, she made the noise, huh? Should we try cutting it on the opposite side once? Well, that's pretty good. It beats using a knife, that's for sure. So overall, I think it's pretty cool, and it seems to work. Not so much on this, but I wonder if I can find some number 12 wire solids, like what you would get out of Romex. Or should we see what? Let's see if we can do some Romex. I think I got a little something here, Romex. Okay, this is like the round Romex. It looks like 14.3, or no, 14.2. No, 14.3 I think it is. No, it's 12.3. It's 12.3. There should be cut. We'll cut a piece off. Let's try this one. Okay, there we go. Getting it apart is going to take the most time. So we got the one bare wire. Okay, this is number 12 solid wire. Let's see which hole we can put it in. I'm thinking that we got to go into this one. Ooh, I don't know if I'm liking that it's curling it so much. Does that mean we're squishing it too much, or? Oh, look at there. Wonder why it tries to curl it up like that. I don't know what those even do. Let's try it again here, and maybe we'll try it in this other hole here. Oh, look at that, it curls it up. I don't like that. I don't like that it curls it. And that one doesn't seem to have cut it at the very end. All right, well, I guess that worked. I just don't know why it's curling it up like that. Where'd our other piece go? Here it is. Here it is. Let's try, see, it's like it's not centered on there. Can you see that? Oh, it's not centered in there. I don't know if that's working or not for you. I seen somebody that was doing this and they were just running through this thing that where it just rolled it and it broke the stuff. Let's see what that does. Yeah, I can't remember what channel that was. They were just running it through this flat roller, and it was like busting it open, but you must have to really tighten it up to get it to do that. I don't know, it's gonna be a lot of playing around with this thing until we can get her dialed in and figure out just how to do it, but overall I think it's gonna be a good tool. Like I said, I want to build something up so it sits higher and mount it right to this table. I could probably put some, weld another bar across there, maybe put a shelf under there for some buckets to put copper wire in. I'm not sure. So yeah, I'd like to thank you all for watching, and I'm sure you'll be seeing some more of the Weaver wire stripper here in the Scrap-Meister's scrap lair. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff, and check out the merch store. We added a couple of new shirt designs to the merch store that I think you might like. Remember, Christmas is coming. Be sure to watch one of the videos that's on screen now.